Looking for a clean, bright, move-in ready rental in Brampton? Take a look at this. This spacious legal 2-bedroom basement, available immediately, has a modern open-concept kitchen featuring quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances, perfect for preparing meals and hosting. This well-planned space does not feel like a typical basement unit. It features a roomy living area with abundant natural light from large windows. Good-sized bedrooms with spacious closets and no carpet throughout the unit. Enjoy the convenience of a separate side entrance, tons of extra storage space and 2 driveway parking spots. Modern private laundry area equipped with a washer and dryer, perfect for convenience. Location is a big bonus here too. Nestled in a vibrant neighborhood, this apartment is conveniently located near major highways, shopping centers, and public transit. Just minutes to Highway 410, Trinity Common Mall, transit, grocery stores, restaurants, and everyday essentials. If you or someone you know is looking to rent in Brampton, send me a message for more details or to book a showing at 647-889-3107.